Hello everyone. Today it's a sunny winter day. It's very nice. As you can see, as usual, we are preparing to feed the street cats, and in the trunk of our car there's always this bag of cat food with chicken and with protein. We have some extra materials and water, and we are preparing this kind of plates. And when we see them in the street, when we see cats, street cats in the streets, we feed them. Look at him or her. She has just seen us and came near us. We like another one. She liked it. They like it very much because it is with chicken and with a good quality cat food, and it's really nutritious. Okay, would you like some more? Yes, I will feed her some more. Okay, I will give some more. Okay, another one. She can eat another plate. Look at her. Please don't forget to give food or warm water to the street cats in your neighborhood, in your area. Okay? Oh, she looks like the one here. Oh. She's eating very nicely, very passionately. She's eating the second plate now. Okay. All the best. See you.